What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jamal. I hope you guys are all doing well. Back for another video. Now today we're actually going to be doing a mod on the Corvette. It seems like every time I post a Cadillac video, people are like, oh, did you get rid of your Corvette? Or, oh, are you not doing videos on the Corvette anymore? That is in fact not the case. I did not get rid of the Corvette. I don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon. Videos have just kind of slowed down a little bit, obviously, because I do have the Cadillac and I can do a bunch more mods to that thing than I can the Corvette, because it's pretty much almost all the way modded out, you know, except for doing like something extremely crazy like a built trans or, you know, built engine, supercharger, stuff like that. So today we're actually going to be doing a little visual mod on the Corvette. I've got these black fender emblems for the Corvette, and basically the only part that's kind of left silver on my car at this point, or chrome I guess you could say, is the fender emblems. Everything else is pretty much blacked out. I've got black wheels. I've kind of blacked out all the grills. I've blacked out the side vents, and so the emblems even as well are blacked out. So these Z06 badges on the emblem are kind of the only thing that's left that's kind of chrome or silver on the car. So I'm going to be replacing those today with these black emblems that I got off eBay. I'll link these in the description. They're 60 bucks. Unfortunately, it seems like the only place you can get these emblems from is China, so I did have to wait like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, which really isn't bad for getting parts from China. So 2.5 weeks for these things, and to slap these Chinese badges on this American beauty. Hopefully everything should go smoothly. I've got some goo gone that I borrowed from my friend. We should just be able to get some fishing line and pull those old emblems off and slap these new ones on. So kind of a short video. I want to apologize in advance because it is kind of windy today. It's about to rain tonight, so the wind is blowing pretty good today. So also, guys, as I'm about to do this, I need your opinion on one other thing. Do you guys think that I should buy those black lettering for the front bumper here? It's kind of like a black inlay for the Corvette, and then also do it in the rear, kind of with that black lettering for the rear. I'm debating on it. I think it'll look pretty good. And then also kind of the inset part of the bumper here on the rear, get that kind of wrapped black to kind of tie off the whole black and blue theme. I'm thinking about doing that, so let me know in the comments below what you guys think of that. I think I'm probably going to do that here soon as well. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but these old badges are really faded and just overall don't look very good. These new ones should look awesome. So one thing I have already gone ahead and done yesterday was I did wash the entire car. So you definitely don't want to try to remove some badges with a car that's dirty, because you're going to be pushing a lot of dust around and you could potentially scratch your paint. And so here I have Goo Gone. This Goo Gone is actually safe on clear coat, so that shouldn't be any issue there. And then also have a hair dryer courtesy of my mom. So just going to apply some heat to that and then use a fishing line to kind of floss the emblem off. And it should come off nice and easy, and then I'll use the Goo Gone and my fingernails to kind of scratch the old adhesive off. It is kind of a tedious process, so I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on a tripod and get started. Now that we have the emblem off, we can just kind of soak it in Goo Gone. Just gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then we'll come back and start the tedious process of getting all that old adhesive off. So I've got it pretty much cleaned up for the most part. One thing I also forgot to mention is you guys may want to tape off the borders of the OEM fender emblem so that you know where the new one goes. But I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, probably not. My OE emblems have been on there for so long that they've kind of like ghosted a little bit, and so I can tell where the old emblem was at, so I can just kind of set the new one right in there. So that's something to also consider. But yeah, I think we're pretty much ready to go ahead and slap these new emblems on. As you guys can see, I've got the carnage from the old adhesive, and the Goo Gone did a really good job kind of breaking up that old adhesive, and I was able to just kind of rub it all off with my fingernail. So I'm gonna grab that new emblem and slap it on. Alright boys, so here's kind of a wide shot of the new badge. As you can see, it looks pretty sick there. Kind of matches the whole theme of the car now. I did already go ahead and slap on the other side as well. They're not side specific, you can use any badge on any side. But yeah, there she is. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Again, those were $60 badges. I'll link those in the description below off eBay. Also follow your boy on Instagram at Jamal's Garage. Please comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.